What's the meaning of cooperatively? Cooperatively. Cooperatively.
Cooperatively. Cooperatively. Cooperatively refers to the act of working together in a coordinated and collaborative manner towards a common goal or objective. This involves sharing resources, knowledge, skills, and responsibilities among all parties involved in order to achieve a mutually beneficial outcome. When individuals or groups work cooperatively, they are able to leverage their collective strengths and overcome challenges that they may not be able to overcome alone. This approach can lead to increased efficiency, productivity, innovation, and overall success in achieving the desired outcome. In short, cooperative work leads to better results through teamwork and collaboration.